What's our favourite part of the kitchen? It's like asking us who our favourite child is. We don't have any experience in this field,
no.
So bringing in the professionals was absolutely ideal.
Hi, I'm Emily and
I'm Lynton.
and we have completed our kitchen that we've designed with Kitchen Shack. We also did our laundry and we're really happy with the result. Our brief to the designer was that this is a mid-century home, it's a 60s house, and we did want to honour it, but we really wanted to update. There was a wall here, so for starters that had to go, and it only took up about this much space because it was a U-shaped kitchen, and yeah, we wanted to open it up and bring nature inside. The first appointment with San was really exciting. We went into the showroom not 100% certain about what we wanted. He likes minimalist. I'm a bit more of a maximalist.
San picked up on the kind of things we were looking at and then we built it out from there.
Exactly. And when we found out that actually a couple of things need handles, like the dishwasher and the appliance cabinet, it was really good to see that we could still keep it minimalist. And also I really wanted that timber finish, so we had to go with those overheads. The urban oak is really beautiful. And I wanted green, and originally I said that I would like green cabinetry, but San and Lynton were very much about keeping it more neutral with the white, and it's worked out really well. We weren't sure about where door placement was going to be. And then when we changed and moved the door, San was able to accommodate that and give us a whole run of cabinetry along this wall. Actually, that's probably my favorite part really, is just how much storage, because yeah, there's never enough storage for me, ever. I like that you can hide everything as well, because we used to live in a place where there was bins over here, and in the laundry there's big baskets, and it's so nice to be able to tuck everything away. Yeah, and just being able to keep a kitchen clean because there's so much space and so much bench space. That for me functionally has been really nice. Our designer just really got it really quickly, understood what we wanted and drew it up so quickly, right?
The island's fantastic with two very hungry children. I'm constantly being asked to go to the kitchen to make them some food, so having this space that's no longer a chore, it's something I can actually go and enjoy, is really good.
And it's so nice to be able to hide everything when people come visit, because having little children, things are usually just a mess. Today it's looking very nice and tidy. Yeah, and Kitchen Shack we found through Kate, one of my friends who referred me to the company, and we're so glad we went with them. It's just been a wonderful experience.